Okay, something different today. We're going to use the internet to help us with our code when we align our text. So we're going to align, we're going to fill the gap. So we have a list of tuples. These are our results from the last video. And what we want to do, we want to get the sequence with the correct alignment. So at the beginning, we can't align, we don't know which one to align. But in the center we've got 4 and 5 and 4 and 6, and we want to use the 4 and 6. So how do we do that? So we have our results, our list of tuples, and we're going to get the alignment from 1 to 6 from the small list and 3 to 8 from the large list. So how? Well, we start with this aligned indexes that are in the tuples in a list. First of all, we're going to get the single values from the first list. We're going to use a list comprehension to do that. Then remove the duplicates. Then we're going to get the pairs from the longer list. We're going to find the gaps. So that's going to find a missing element. And then we're going to find the missing element from the small and the big list and insert them using bisect and insort. We need to get some code from the internet. We need to be able to access values from a list of tuples. We need to find missing elements in the list. We need to insert an item into a sorted list. So here's the code. First one, we can use a list comprehension. Missing elements, we can use a function found on the web. And the final one, we use insort from bisect to insert a number into a sorted list. So let's have a look at the code.
someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 And I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a No, no, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right. Oh, so let's play pretend. Say you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me forever. I know this will end tonight, but you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 And I said let me stay a
Okay, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.